Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for appreciating the videos so much. Um, Today we are going to talk about Athgun, another footwork. So far we have done Ekgun, we have done Dugun, we have done Chaugun. So today we are going to try Athgun. A quick revision. Ekgun is one beat is equal to one bowl. Dugun is one beat is equal to two bowls. Chaugun is one beat is equal to four bowls. Athgun is one beat is equal to eight bowls. Okay, so how are we going to go? The speed also, the speed is 8 times of Ekgun. So how are we going to count this on 16 beat cycle in teen tal? Ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat 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 ta. Okay, so now we are going to try this footwork with ghungroos. Then I will be uploading a separate video with music for your regular riyaz. It's going to be a little difficult, but over the time, when you keep practicing, keep moving your feet, you will reach there. Don't give up, just keep going. See you in next class.